Hello, welcome to this video. If you are watching this video, that means you have already paid 30 billion for the account. Alright, so I'm gonna show how to install a free SSL on cPanel on a cPanel website. Okay, website I server that runs on cPanel. Okay, first of all, let's use this website as an example. Netsend.com https. As you can see, the connection is not private, it's showing an error message. Okay, so we go on and install a free SSL called Let's Encrypt. Okay, okay, this Let's Encrypt expires every 3 months. Every 3 months, you just need to do a little replacement of you just have to renew the certificate from the registration site and also upload it if required. So you have to go to SSL for free.com. Okay, SSL for free.com. Then it's coming up. All right, so here you enter the website address you want to create the SSL for, and I've sent this netsend.com. Okay, then you click on create free SSL certificates. Okay, you can also enter any other domain at all that is linked, that is on the same server that you want to use the same SSL certificate from. Okay, any domain you want to enter, just give space and enter any of them. You can enter something like, okay, space and the rest of them. Alright, well, let's leave it at netsend.com, create free SSL certificates. As you can see, it automatically adds the www extension. So okay, so it will now request for verification, and you need to upload some certain things to verify the ownership of the domain. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this manual verification. Okay, then okay, get the verification files. Okay, click here. It will now give you access to a file to download. Okay, these are the files that we need to download and upload. There are 2 files here. Let me download the first one. Okay, saved. Second one, saved. You have to upload it to the root folder GSXZ. Okay, so let's go to File Manager from cPanel. All right, public HTML. Upload. Okay, upload. All right, that should be under just. Okay, this is the first one. The next one is XZ, so I just got to search for XZ tray. Okay, this is it. Upload them. Okay, once uploaded is successful, we just go back to ssl4free.com. You can see you can verify them by visiting here and here. As you can see, what's happening? 404 error. That means something is wrong somewhere. Oh, we need to create a folder first. Okay, we need to create a folder first with this name. We need to create first with this one. Okay. Okay. We need to create a folder first with this name. Okay, let's do that. Create folder. Create. Oh, it's not showing me hidden files, so I just go back here. So we need to enable hidden files here for us to be able to see what's happening. Settings, show hidden files. Okay, this is it. When on, create another folder. with this name, Acme dash challenge. Okay, Acme dash challenge done. So this is where we need to upload those content. Let me just start the upload again. Those files we downloaded. This is where the right place to EFS and XZ. All right, back. Let's text. All right, it's now okay. It's not active. Okay, so then we have to confirm here. Okay, download SSL. Okay, once you have uploaded these files to the right folder, okay, as explained, you have to create the first folder, which is word/known. Okay, after creating it, you have to enable hidden files from your file manager by going to the settings. That's if it's not enabled, and then clicking on show hidden files for you to be able to access the well-known folder and create another folder called Acme dash challenge or Acme Cobble. All right. Then after that, after you have uploaded them, you visit the links here, the two links, to confirm that it's displaying correctly. This is to make sure that nobody else can generate an SSL using your own domain name without your permission. Okay. So then click on download SSL certificates. SSL certificates. Supposed to download. Okay. Okay, so it will not generate the SSL certificates after it automatically verifies those uploaded files that they are on your domain. Okay, also make sure you don't delete those files after generating your SSL. Okay, yeah, you have to enter an email. I'm gonna use this as an example. Work. Okay, since it's the first time, you just click on create account. If you already have an account, after okay, for the first time, you just sign up, click on fill up this one, click on create an account. Then the next time you want to do it, you just use the login button instead of creating the account. Okay, these are the certificate files here, you can see. Okay, so we are going to make use of these files. Okay, you can also download them if you prefer. Okay, so now we go back to, let me close this, we go back to cPanel. Under security, there should be SSL. Okay, SSL/TLX. You click here, click under SSL, under security, SSL/TLX. All right, then here click install and manage SSL for your site. Click here. Okay, now here select the domain and then send. Okay, and this is the domain that we are trying to activate the SSL for. Okay, certificates, go to ssl.com, ssl4free.com. Here you can see the certificate, copy and paste here. Private key, copy and paste on the second box, private key, you can see. Then the third one is CA bundle. It is required, this particular certificate is required to authenticate the certificate for your domain. Okay, so certificate authority here. After that, click on install certificates. Let's see how it goes. All right, you have successfully updated the SSL certificates, blah 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 blah. Okay. All right, so I believe that the certificate is now installed. I believe that the certificate is now installed for this. Alright, as you can see, it's ending by the expiring date is here. After that, you will be sent an email as well as you're registered here. That's the reason, one of the benefits of registering. You'll be sent an email notifying you of the expiry so you can renew it before it expires. Okay, so that's it. And so let's go back here and refresh the page. See if it will be able to go. Before, sorry. Okay, that means something is not right. We need to, I think sometimes it might require to restart your server, for it to get, for it to be, for it to start working. Alright. Okay, let me just try and make this primary. Let's see what happens. Make primary. But the installation is already successful, so I'm just trying to troubleshoot and why it's not yet showing. Okay, let me verify if it is actually installed. SSL checker. One of these two should do. Just copy it, copy your link address. Okay, this is the one I'm looking for. Medicine.com, remove the URL extensions. Okay, you can see the certificate is active. It's active, and it's been detected by the SSL checker. As you can see, let's encrypt. Okay, authority extra. As you can see. Also, the certificate will expire in 9 days. Like I said, it lasts for 3 months, which is 90 days. Okay, so it's active here. So let me check this in a private browser and see why it's still showing us. But it might need the server might need a restart for it to start detecting. Okay, as you can see, the HTTPS is not working directly and effectively. So that's how to install. Let's encrypt SSL on a cPanel server. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it like you enjoy Fender and